खुदावंद ने ये कहाहरूज की किताब में कि जैसे ही मौत आपके घर के ऊपर से निकल जाएगी, the moment you are rescued from death, you need to move. You need to get going. You can't stay there any longer. Please consider that if someone is under the debt in sin and a redeemer comes to pay them off, they have to be ready to move. You have to be ready to move. Are you ready to leave the current state, the current sin that you are in, the current practices of the sins that we are in? Are we ready to move? हम हर साल बार बार इस चीज को दोहराते रहते हैं that Jesus died for us, Jesus gave his blood for us, we were redeemed by an unblemished price. हमें ऐसी चीज से रिहाई दी गई है, there is no value that can be put on it. It is the greatest valued asset that God has. It was his son and he gave it up. लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी अगर हम अपने गुनाह से नहीं निकलते, then what's the use? God told Moses that the moment the blood lamb is on your doorpost and the death angel moves over, that God passes over, you need to be ready to leave. And so the question is this: we have accepted Jesus. हमने यीशु को कबूल कर लिया है, हमने उसको अपना निजात दहिंदा बना लिया है, हमने अपने गुनाहों को उसके ऊपर छोड़ दिया है, लेकिन क्या हम अपने गुनाह की जिंदगी को छोड़े हैं? Or are we still sitting in the sin?